Welcome back, my amazing and wonderful subscribers and viewers. Welcome to Grandma Esohe's cooking channel. I hope you will like the next cooking video you are going to view now. Enjoy and always practice one or two of them. And please do not forget to like, share, comment, subscribe if you have not yet subscribed. Thank you. Enjoy.
Hello, viewers. Our menu today is potatoes in egg sauce. So we start by adding olive oil, about 60 mils, two tablespoons of olive oil, and then we add these colorful onions and bell peppers, 3 colors of bell pepper to the pan, and we leave it to simmer, stay a little bit and leave to simmer. As you can see, it's so colorful. Then we'll now add some tomatoes to it, about 2 bulbs of tomatoes to add to the color, and very nutritious, a lot of vitamins right here. The more color the better. And then you stir, then cover it up to simmer for about 10 minutes, and then we'll stir again. We stir again to cook right up. We'll now add some parsley to it. 1 teaspoon of parsley leaves. We'll add cinnamon, 1/2 teaspoon of cinnamon. Then next, we add cumin, 1 teaspoon of cumin. Next, we add red pepper, flakes, 1/2 teaspoon of red pepper flakes to it. A lot of good seasoning. And then next, we're going to add curry powder, 1 teaspoon of curry powder. Then we stir. And some black pepper, 1/2 teaspoon of black pepper. Another 1/2 teaspoon of thyme. A lot of seasoning here that has health benefits. We're still leaving it to simmer as we add the seasonings to it. We stir all together. And then we now add our sliced potatoes. Put, and then we stir into it. Oh, now add our soy sauce. Soy sauce alternative. Add less, it has less salt. Then we add 2 cups of water. And we cover to simmer. After about 10 minutes, we'll stir. Cover again to simmer for another 5 minutes. Then we'll beat our eggs. Bro, about 6 eggs. We'll beat it with the egg beater and pour it over the cooked potatoes. Yummy. If you're in my kitchen at this time, the aroma is so good. The aroma is wonderful. Then we're going to cover this and leave it to cook out for another 5 minutes.